Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kaushik Shet, Consultant Reproductive Medicine and Surgery at Genome the Fertility Center, Bardhaman. Today I want to discuss with you regarding endometriosis and fertility. Now what is this endometriosis? Endometriosis occurs when the lining of the womb, that is the endometrial lining or the endometrium, is present outside the endometrial cavity. It may be within the muscle, adenomyosis, or it may be within the pelvis surrounding the womb. It may be on the ovaries or on the fallopian tubes. It is a very common condition affecting about 1 in 10 women, particularly in the women of reproductive age group. Now, how do you get endometriosis? The exact cause is not known, but it is a hormone-dependent condition. Genetic, environmental, immune, anatomic, or retrograde menstruation can contribute to the development of endometriosis. Now, what are the symptoms? Actually, there is mild to moderate to severe pelvic pain, or there may be pain associated with severe and excessive bleeding, or there may be pain during or after sexual intercourse, and which can lead to fertility problems. Now, how can we diagnose this endometriosis? It is a difficult condition to diagnose, but it is also a chronic condition affecting the physical, sexual, psychological, and social well-being. Now, how can I prevent this endometriosis? There is no known condition, there is no known way to prevent this endometriosis, but there are ways to manage the symptoms or the disease. Now, if you are having endometriosis, whether you can get pregnant. Approximately half of the women who have endometriosis have difficulty in getting pregnant, which also means that 50% of the women don't have any difficulty in getting pregnant. So, if you are having endometriosis and if you are concerned about your fertility, you can contact us and together we can decide the best course of action and best course of treatment so that you can get pregnant at the earliest. Now, what are the treatment options available? For the pain, there are certain pain relieving medications and certain hormones, and for the fertility problems, there may be certain surgeries like laparoscopy. Now, for which type of fertility options can you choose? There are a variety of fertility options, and the type of fertility option is decided based on the woman's age, the severity of the endometriosis, or whether there is the number of years they are trying to conceive, or whether there is a previous pregnancy, or there are associated fertility factors like blocked tubes or certain sperm problems. Now, the treatment options or the fertility treatment options can range from milder treatment options or simpler treatment options like ovulation induction or IUI for minimal or mild endometriosis to more complex treatments like IVF, ICSI, egg donation or surrogacy for moderate to severe endometriosis. Thank you for watching the video.